Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix locked games on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here on the right, you're gonna find your game library. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps on this device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games, media, search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to fix locked games on the PlayStation 5, first of all, go ahead and click on your profile icon, click on switch to user, and then go to the account where you own the games. Once you do that, go ahead and click on the user, and then what you need to do guys is activate the user as in this console as a primary account. Go ahead and click on settings, and then once you do that, you're gonna be here in this page. Once you're here, you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and account. Go ahead and click on users and account, and then here you're gonna find account, family, privacy, linked services, authorized apps, and other. Go ahead and click on other, and then here you're gonna find console sharing and offline play, restore licenses, and lastly sign out. Go ahead and click on console sharing and offline play. This will allow anyone who uses this PlayStation 5 to play your games and media even when the console is offline. Go ahead and click on this option, and then make sure you click on enable, and once you enable this option, you will be able to unlock the games on your PlayStation 5. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.